This is the easiest way I've found to assign tests in Think Central with modifying them. So you just go to the Personal Math Trainer once you're in 4th grade, and then you will click Personal Math Trainer again, Unit Tests. And so we're going to assign Unit 2. They can do a practice version of it, the homework, and then we usually do that beforehand and then assign the actual test and quiz. And so you just click assign and modify. And I think the best way to modify it once it loads here is not to edit it. That makes it you look at a lot of code or something. I don't know. It's really hard to do within edit, but if you preview it, it's pretty easy. And so when you preview it, it'll bring up every single question that is on the test. And all you have to do to get rid of a question, like question 1 here, and you can tell what question it is by the last number in the first set of parentheses. So this is question 1. We said we were going to get rid of it. So you just click remove this question. And so it says question 1 is now removed. You can go through and you can see every other question. I believe we said we were going to get rid of this one too. And so this question here, or actually right here, Unit 2, question 8. So it's the second set of parentheses, sorry. It's not question 11, it will be question 8. So Unit 2, question 8, I want to remove that one as well. And so you just go through and you take out all the different questions that you don't want. And then once you've taken out all the questions, you would go to close at the bottom. And now, like you'll see, Unit 2, question 1 has been removed and question 8 has been removed. And so just go into that preview. That's an easy way to get rid of everything. And then you would just have to click save. And once you click save, it'll bring you back to your, oh, and it won't let me see it now. But once you click save, this won't pop up. It'll let you add. And you go ahead and just add, and that'll take you to the normal assigning screen where you just choose your class and put all those kids in the assign box. And then you will go ahead and save that, and they'll have it on their things to do tab. And I hope this helps.